Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, December 8th, 2015. It's another mild morning out there as we have an area low pressure passing off of the east coast, for the most part remaining well east of the region and thus limiting any impacts on the northern mid-Atlantic. We have temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s over the far northern interior, mid to upper 30s in your suburbs, and upper 30s to lower 40s in the urban areas and along the immediate coast, basically around Long Island. Winds are from the north and northwest, around 5 to 10 miles per hour, and we do have an isolated shower here or there moving through the region. An area low pressure that's right here will continue to lift to the east-northeast, producing a few isolated showers, especially right along the coast. Most locations will remain dry with variable cloud cover today, and temperatures rising into the upper 40s to lower 50s. The next area low pressure to impact the region is currently right here in the plains. This low pressure system is essentially a giant warm front that will introduce a very mild Pacific air mass throughout the northern mid-Atlantic, leading to some very spring-like temperatures for this upcoming weekend. It will also produce a few scattered showers tomorrow night on through Thursday. Let's dive into the latest radar, and you can see steady rainfall is literally just right off of the coast of Long Island and will remain off the coast of Long Island, but there will still be a threat for a few isolated showers. Really, the interior, you're pretty much done for the most part as far as any real significant rain threat, but we're going to keep the isolated shower in the forecast just in case you get one of these little renegade showers able to push into the interior, especially over northern Connecticut and the Hudson River Valley. Along the immediate coast, again, you can see these showers aren't really all that impressive, and as of right now, most of this is not reaching the ground. But again, that isolated shower is a threat, leading to a trace to maybe 2/10 of an inch of rainfall at most. This low pressure system will continue to push out to the east and keep all of this heavy rainfall well off the coast. See on the latest infrared satellite picture, our low pressure system is moving to the east-northeast, with all your best lifting basically heading out into the Atlantic. Here's our next low pressure system for tomorrow night into Thursday. Again, for the most part, we're dealing with a rather large warm front moving through the nation as Pacific air runs from the west coast all the way to the east coast, providing a very mild weather pattern for the middle of December for the region. So let's dive into the forecast. So for today, again, isolated shower here or there, temperatures rising into the upper 40s to lower 50s, and really not all that bad of a day. Again, just watch out for that isolated shower, but other than that, not too bad for this time of year. For this evening, look for variable cloud cover with temperatures falling through the 40s overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Sky cloud cover can be expected with temperatures in the mid 30s over the interior and away from basically the suburbs, and upper 30s to lower 40s along the immediate coast and urban areas. And for tomorrow afternoon, look for showers to develop, especially in the evening hours, temperatures rising into the lower 50s. For Thursday, that low pressure system and frontal boundary will move through the region with a few widely scattered showers. Again, looking at a trace to at most a quarter of an inch of rain. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 40s for lows, thus any of this precipitation that falls is going to be liquid. There really is no ice threat unless you get into the central Hudson River Valley, and high temperatures on Thursday will be in the upper 50s. When we take a look at the upcoming weekend, well, it really isn't all that bad. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, high pressure will be in control, and notice off the coast, that means a nice southwesterly wind with temperatures well above normal. We're talking about lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. We should be in the mid 40s for highs for this time of year, so we are going to be in a very nice weather pattern for the middle of December, that is for sure. By the time we get to Monday, an area low pressure will approach the region with a warm front followed by a cold front, and that means periods of rain. Look for low temperatures in the lower 50s, high temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s. And then on Tuesday, a few passing cold fronts will move through with a few widely scattered showers. Look for lows in the lower 40s, highs in the lower 50s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.